We're just gonna prep our onion. I'm just using a yellow onion here. This is like a small-ish yellow onion. And the way Panda Express chops theirs is very like big, kinda, like in half moons. So that's what we're gonna do. So just as easy as that, our onion is chopped. Now we're gonna work on our celery. Just 2 pieces of celery should be plenty. All right, celery done. Green onion. I don't know why this green onion is so massive, but we're gonna rock with it. It looked like a leek, but it's not. So welcome in. Tell us where you're checking in from. Let us know in the comments below. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun today, cooking up some good old chow mein. Then we're gonna make walnut shrimp. So if you're into that, stay tuned. Yeah, the scallion's the biggest scallion I've ever did see. Half this cabbage. I'm gonna try to shred it nice and thin. Cool. Just gonna put our cabbage in this colander. We're gonna give it a little washy wash. Soy sauce. Just a few tablespoons. Kind of eyeball it as you go. Got oyster sauce. This is very potent, so just about a tablespoon. We've got some garlic paste. Y'all know I love garlic paste. About another tablespoon. And then we're also going to do a little bit of ginger, not too much. Got some brown sugar. Our sesame oil. And then our pepper. Some white pepper. And then we'll do a little cornstarch. About a tablespoon of cornstarch. We give that a stir. All right, this is where you can add in a little bit of chicken stock just to smooth everything out. About a tablespoon. It's thick, but it's not too thick. Mix that all up. The noodles that I'm using also came with this like teriyaki powder. So I think I'm gonna add that in. Let's see. Gingery, garlicky, has all the flavors and scents that we want, so we won't let it go to waste. So we'll add in one of those. These are our noodles that we're using. Chow mein noodles. You can use any brand. This is by the brand, I think, Fortune. We're gonna hit our skillet with some oil. I'm gonna gather my onion and celery in this bowl. We've got our oil. That's just olive oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you like. With onions and celery. We're just gonna saute that until fragrant. I'm gonna give that a quick second and then I'll add the cabbage in. Do y'all ever make chow mein at home? If you do, let me know what your secret is in the comments below. What do you put in yours? Our cabbage is cooking down, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more into the pan since I've already cut this up. This is the longest part, probably 5 minutes here. You want everything to still have a nice crunch to it and be really fresh, so you don't want to overcook it. I'm gonna add them a little bit at a time. Very good. Cool. Now we're going to just add in our delicious sauce that we have made. Smells so good. You can smell that fresh ginger, garlic. And now we're just working in the sauce into the noodles and the vegetables. If I had dark soy sauce, I would add that in, but since I don't, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more soy sauce just to kind of clean out this dish here. A little more soy sauce, a little more oyster sauce, and just make sure I have the right color and consistency to the noodles. Dark soy sauce is so good, and so is mushroom soy sauce. All really delicious. Just cleaning out my little saucepan here. That looks gorge. The oyster sauce gives it like a little sweetness. 10. If y'all enjoyed this video, definitely click down below for the other videos in my restaurant remix series. We are cooking up a bunch of my favorites, so stay tuned for that and stay tuned for more. And of course, if you enjoyed this, click subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.